Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
My name is Iya Utete, the Elukiba of social media. I'm the president of this page, Africa Irish First Lady. So you guys can like and follow the page as well. You know, social media has become something else. Something else, especially in the Edo Saba community space. And it's so sad to see history is repeating itself again all over. We have these two sisters now that is having misunderstanding. If you really ask what it cause quarrel, there's can't say, they can't say, they can't read. You know, there's no really tangible problem. You understand? And it's some of our people that have other accounts. I'm not calling them fake accounts, say other accounts. Who are you at all? What's up? Please, we should stop fueling issues. We should stop fueling issues. Everyone you are fake account you causing problem left, right, and center. So what Marco one self. Why you fake account here? Why you Emma? When you can't tell when you guys start screenshotting people's pictures, why you ain't no but I don't even know why we never not really want me be. What guys only attacking here way? You talk. No, but the way I said that for I said that what do you start to gain in any saga? Tell yeah, when let's start getting for Nanya, and here I don't that the scholarship in the way when they pack high. Here I words in the way. Who went in a saga? Okay, we are not your party and not a party and not only a so you talk. And why you hear you? And why call your platform or my own palette you one why where the vessel one your talk. Oh, why you hear you obey for? As a lot of them, Monica was so, and you are the bishop. All right, don't hear by a dear, not paid by a dear, as a man for what is winning now. Any video is bad. You know, all when measure. Men afi wo woman you na me ni dashi iya agweso when the man ni keep show game la fianya o me ni dashi ya go ma gweso when ni keep show go soon my ni assission money unu don se wa o me ni dashi wo bo ma understand ke do wa woman gbe ya wa ina wa be we yo kere no na mi no what e we hi no where only se wa la wa muzo you talk ija we don ishi. Well, ne party me no there ne party me a party me ne ye werine always done easy so that you will that your time, your energy, your saliva you will invest yeah tell okay we are get na your mama calling your papa calling your mama yash your mama what we know the son in ya as for what makes you what I will talk to you of it you what I carry like social media of it you what I will know to tell you is the social media president until one more so for I'm not papa that you deba papa na work here cannot do ni ma cannot get pam uvo cannot also free matter ni I'm not deba ni said ona won wire more so for what done is she. Oh, not anybody knows it well why die. We can't when it is a power to why and power in the no. You want a party money. A party when so I will rest. I want to very got you where. Oh no, so now what the hell is that? The same and event you one idea. It's okay, Monica, and I will wait when I the for. And I will for. Yeah, a lot of you know, these people are just the same. They are rolling. It's no, you guys, I can say why I wear a move. You have to run a page you want. You don't have to insult your family, your father, your mother to build a page. In this page on Facebook, Life Less Scripted. The man is married to a Ghanaian woman, a Ghanaian lady. They have 2.something million followers. Go to their page, Life Less Scripted. They have 2.something million followers there. Go and look at their content. Ghanaian content in here create. Look at the followers they have. And this other family as well, the McCall family. The Iboma is married to the lady, she's a Nigerian, Yoruba lady. That's what they have. Yesterday was 3.1 million followers. Maybe all the year doing it. 3.1. Tell me one Edo person we get up to. What am I no communicado? We get 500,000 followers. And for all the problem when they don't use their hand, cause go give their generation. They don't still get their amount of followers. We kind of rubbish things when they talk from their mouths. We kind of rubbish things when they use their body, they do. They don't still get that amount of followers. People when they do very simple, they go to supermarket with the video, they say, hey, go see their, all those Igbo people not high equivalent to go see what they do. They actually go to get karate, or their own video that is pre-recorded, they'll come editor, put on together, make a, look at their followers. So must you insult everybody, even plus the one where you know, the one where not if you pop Gary or where you don't know before, you must just for you to build your page and monetize. Any woman with a sell cream, we not use your cream business to monetize. Now you be swag back. If you be a dog woman, they do makeup, you not use your makeup business to monetize your page, you be swag back. You want to saga to monetize page. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I want to mention this Edo brother. It's called Mario Talk Show. Mommy, if not the 5 people who want to give award, those are the people that have clean record on Facebook. Mario Talk Show. Now Italy, that brother, if you see the Italian, I don't know. That brother don't do social media. All this is there. Almost most of them, here call yes, show contributed their evil contribution that time. Mario Talk Show. I've called into some of his programs then. Now I contribute to you. Because a topic it was so decent. I remember that brother that time. They want to a platform to as a true comment to Ogun they block the no they know the cost of Ogun. You know? Boy ni yaru that way attack Beragbuje don't viral video with the name of Ogun and monetize. I don't even know if you don't monetize now, but I don't know. But you know that spirit. People are so lazy to go and get a job now. It's all about Facebook money, and they think the only way you can make it is to come. Listen, there is no way to hear the tell life history men or yard in here. It go there boring. It go there boring. The only way we hear time, we hear me view. You must ask. Say that 95% of all almost to me say yo. Almost 95% of all want me say by only view. And organ we are turning ya. I can say you wear anything. I can a problem you wear anything. You know? So I imagine why can't people just create a simple, decent content? Why just simple thing? And just have your peace of mind, your rest of mind. Listen. Who knows to like saga for we be? Manila we ma here. Iya ye ku awuwe. Iya ko wuwe. Odafu ya ko wuwe. Owo ki ya fu wuwe. Do say na. Can't you see? Yes, most of them I say beg we here in Nigeria. The family know what to talk here. Here do ye care no ma gba ni atalo social media. Oh, na we am say and we no keke we can take but we never substance ni ansalo. Both the old and young, yeah, it can all in there. Oh yeah, they now big problems for their family back home. Problems to their family back home. And saga, or that finger or it's like stroking one finger in a red oil. If you get up by the way, or come oil, that oil will drip. It will drip everywhere. You know, a saga, the meaning of saga is ore. A saga is, when you define saga, I mean you are deforming people's character. You are lying on people, you are destroying people's image. That is saga. You cannot saga and you know where the Lord will tell you if you are as a saga. as well Isaga mare saga Isaga no ohen wata you wear ni Aritia Isaga. Why can't you do something? How can you imagine wow one misoi uhyui? What in the name of this world you cannot use that to build your page? You're on social media, international people are watching you. Oh, if you can't now you go check but then any go they are not patronizing you, they are not your customers. Oh, my son, video when it's a fear share. Even when my no because you're on social media, even when my watch your say. Here comments, here. But you to like in buy what you wear. They will give you endorsement. Yeah, endorse you wear. Millions of dollars gather get now. When they now mean already double again. I soon you that woman now when you say, okay, can I patronize someone with good words? No making out you feel in that power. You know, you are doing makeup. Naomi is a fantastic makeup artist. I don't watch her video. She is fabulous. She is talented in makeup. And I met one very loyal saga. I remember one day she came out, she said she forgive everybody. I said, that is it. That is just it. That is the best way. Because again, I don't know what you will I don't forgive this person, no. You don't buy gas and service social media. Tell her, say she cannot step on your toes. Don't tell me where if you knew you want you go you want value. People will be doing that from closed door. I never need the if I want that way me. Why I say petrol so you know if I want near the yard like me social media what's your nezona for? I'm a video. I don't watch that video where she do. Hey, my sister. I reply. They say your brother. Where don't see me? On my way video as soon me. You may reply. Not what I video ni. You going to oh, you my winning name. You are better. I don't wear my tail. Korea. Oh, you don't tell me not time. You are using direct to tell me where the may larger to fire over the time. We are the category here. When he makes you where, my benefit of you, we are having me what music beds here or Talanoyari. Oh, why can't see me? One who is sent there, Gune. If I walk in any video center, we are here was sent there, and cannot know what and then know why I fear. So, what are you trying to do? You are instigating problems. You are not helping issues. You are not helping. You should stop. My goodness, the way people instigate problems on social media is shocking. Terribly. Unless it's still money. This is a part you want. What the party? What the anybody who has been on one of the move, been nowhere where they were. Because when I will be saying, no, I don't hear what do I regret again? And then I will not to stop and get a while. I'm with you. Oh, my road, you're going to see the temper. Nobody, no, no, but the social media na go on. And after the social media for jamu. Oh, na me video Monica ne ma do akpe na nya. O ma like social media re na. Be be Monica. That obey Monica by video niji. He has oh ya delete ni bone. Oh okay. You ma won video ni gare. Be again because of already ya ne o jamu ne. Let me say all na me rest now. They are not frequent on social media anymore as in videos. When they are busy with other things, you know, they're busy with other things. Because here, they don't have vital information, they don't pass to the general public. That is the reason why they keep their cool. You know, when you don't have vital information or pass to the general public, why in the God's name will you come on social media and be speaking jargons? Rubbish! And you don't know what in Latin. But there is no substance. Nothing in what you're saying. They are all crap. Rubbish. Nonsense talk. And mama, you are not imparting your children's life. You're not imparting your... What the hell? What? Oh my goodness. It's shocking to say what. You know, what the video on Facebook. And Facebook, you cannot say, oh well, the video, you know, now lie almost to the point. About what the point, like that. We will click here. But so okay, we done any matter. Me are done well 1 minute. I know what you're talking about. So it's up to me anywhere. Me even where can we so that will make me want to so you don't listen in one answer. Or I don't want to listen to this trash. Rubbish talk. Oh, imagine when I just have my way. That is nonsense talk. What the? I get one. Where do you want your Facebook here? I get on Facebook. Everyone, you are talking nonsense. You know? So why instigate a problem? A matter I wrote on what here is bad. And then when you want to work in and when you want to do it, you're Monica, you know what we know. You know what we hear the people. The other side here, this is bad. Why guys to get a problem? You people should learn how to call matters. I want to make money what it baby. I it's bad. I don't like people like that. I distance myself from people no hear me. I can platform numbers to know where we are responsible. So you know, you are here now feel okay. Platform numbers to know where you must respond to that person. Woman want to feel where you go I want to go like oh here go like social media you know where life in my people when anybody able to stop me? No. Who make again nobody run I make I go drive to the house. No any. Anybody run or meet anybody like on social media. Man understand. Am I so bored that we have people they don't have faster information you can pass across. And when we run we made their standard topic here talked about. I want to get organize my presenter. You know? I'm not get organize my presenter make the way social media. Know that people will talk about you. Am I about only? You understand? People will say all sorts of trash. The ability for you to be able to stay focused on that topic in Wemula Jani is what makes you a presenter. That's the only thing that will make you stand out, so will make you different from every other guy that you need a nuisance out there. You understand? Because many people have deviated from their normal track and they don't have time to do what they came to Facebook. You know? So they have really deviated from that track now. It's all about we go to saga. Your mama said, and most of the team here, and I'm so happy where most of the commenters and the viewers in those about this group of set of people, 99% of what they're saying is all lies. It's all lies. Oh yeah, you understand? And there's going to be a bloody fight. The social media now. It's going to be bloody. It's going to be bloody. And after with social media, it will never go. You guys have to be mindful. You have to be careful. You don't have to. You can go on your life and play music. Or not like your old school music in here. You are there, they sit in you. Do you understand? So play music. You know, it doesn't matter what you must. It must be okay. People will think they are not relevant. That is the problem. No. Because people want to stay relevant. That is why they are misbehaving, uselessing themselves, putting themselves inside a deep hole. Ever so they are not in a deep hole. They can't even get themselves out of it anymore. They are inside the mud. They just have to swim inside. They can't get because they can't get out. They can't get out. Tell me why international business people that will come and give you endorsements with this nonsensical behavior and characters on social media. You know? Friend also where you want one more in it. You can't even respect that friendship. You know? So they come and saw family member, you saw their mother, you saw their father, you saw their men. What the hell is that? If done in social media now you talk. And my Zuckerberg now Facebook now you are who. And when you were telling down in your how can you look at them in the eyes? Okay, yeah, Koko. Why do you have me on Facebook? You can go for you know? So people think where I have built a page now. They want you say your my help, they don't know. And your mother don't reach my table. Go follow me in the new page. That's our new page. Come on. Come on. You guys are causing problem for yourself. You know, this will cause problem later. Or see wala no kwa. You understand? Or she prapra or revo janu. Or she pro we raw. So compano, you have to use your senses. You have to be careful. You know, when I have skills, you have that talent. Use that talent and your skills to build your page. I will respect you for that. You understand? If you go out where Saga build the page, no, that one no join. That one no join. You know? That one no join. So I respect sisters that sell cream, that use their cream business to build their page. I respect sisters that do makeup, that use their makeup to build their page. You know, and people that sell different things on social media. People, you know, they sell hair as well. You have a hair to with Vaughn and all that. Then you don't even hear to. You build a page here. I respect people like that. You know, people will drag you. They want to, they want to drag you to their mess. You have to totally call them off. Because they will bring crowd. They will bring traffic to your page. Make use of it. Traffic in here, make use of it. But don't you one day open your mouth and talk the way they talk. You understand? And now around what the social media now, they don't know where they are going, they don't know where they are coming. What name I rule, can one rule here, my and you know who are here and rule in your mind, group. And I rule, there are people like that. You understand? And if you refuse to stand for something, you will fall for anything. And only one if you are here. You know, but we're not like social media. I'm a makeup artist. You know, my page is all about makeup. Stay there. You are not only going to be doing makeup. After some time, come up with your product. Come up with your product, your foundation, your highlights, blah blah blah. Add the new way your. You can now wear already. I understand. Add the new way your. Oh no, I'm not team so you're the social media. If they today they don't get one of their product when you are the year say. Eba you want to quest saga ne go gbena. And I love who you know. So I know all of you walk here, maybe scheme, but in my government, you blame money here, a business one in a more boy area. Carry on, give your name to that product, use it to build your page. There are people that will want you to do it to join them and misbehave. You go to YouTube now, and I know I'll get. So stop near me. Who want a video of a video saga barrel, a video why you so what's wrong with you? Must you cause problem to yourself? A saga problem or I see get me do a mind. Yeah, when you are doing saga, you are using your hand to cause problem. You are using your hand to cause problem to yourself. And you said, "Oh, Muta, you must obey." They are waiting for that moment. Because a bullet upon near many, and they are waiting for that moment. And then yes, so, where, oh, Honija will love him, or love him, my dear. Depends on your told you, or love him more, eh? Eh, sister, you're not the passengers here, though. Eh, Germany. No right over here. Why we don't take up man or why they or Rakakani or why they or why they or you just up my or you allow the no or beer or why you lose your hand. You are not allowed, sister. No, why you don't any loud. And then what I say, as a son of your Paluma in my head, yeah, only a negala no beggar and go near to father. Honor the Johari, honor a singlet, honor young John. E jona muke ke ona mufua e jona tule mpa e jona wore bi lawani matras e jona me wo wa o 7 screen bed e jona wo wera o e jona se ya kike e jona ya pa e sister ni na afi we he o wenye gbeji won e wata Ani sister ni da wa bie o, omo ko da bie. Ama yo ke no sunu, omo na de yo to na wu. Ah we he, yeah. Ye na we do na oni na we gbeda. E sister ni na we gbedo wa ma. Ona e bi omo ko we, ona we wu, ona we la. E na we o se o na la we, ana ya le popo yan. La re wo isunu na ina, ana we o je wa nu nya re wu jo ru. E na gi kana, e gi bi se, e pe ha. You don't take. E sister magi jere. Ah, o we de je woni enya re wu jo ru na. O we hera no ogeva. O ko se, na no is a sunu. E ye de no ku. Ah, e to we mo wo ase. Do wi e o sie na jokin na hu. O hera no la re. Di ọmọ no rete u ha o wera ga ni u mi ami o hero do chinyari we he na ya gwale je ka ma emi ke mage amage ade je o ma ya yin je o ni there is no thing you can do about it iye di ke na ruta de mi na ga e ni ana emege e jo hin ya gun yen ti a emi ro paro na ujo u ya gwale je o ni nu yin ya agwale je won ma mi e ri am gbedeji so bole je won mi mu gbona igalule hin ora bio iwu so e sin no woni you not drip down omo paro no igboji ya for that singular act so I gberu da e ma ya gbe kan no to se me we say madas odawa gbori ami e kagun every day social media without we saga o she pro move on, write down, or go. My dear, why you tell me no yaga? Ubama oge, we saw him and he said work, you know, say well, or you will go. You know, what are you selling? What are you going to you guys have talent. So what's wrong with you? Build on that. Do things. But go and make up or go before go into. You know? That is it. That is what you guys should just concentrate on. Mommy, we are here. We are video. We are here. Go and look at who never share video. And when we are here, your green followers. And we are here video. They say cream. Now my cream with this. Go and look at it. Only share when. Oh, we are getting ya. And when you get love way. And when you go share video, you need a video to a video makeup. And we are your lovers. E o bi aya your fans ye gele go show e o bi aya ta gbara gbege ne ma be bi aya share one da so ti share 200 so ti share o we ne but we aya mo business we ni laje agu we share video anytime we do ya laje wa we video or business we finish no me on the phone ti we sister I want place order I like your cream I like that your video we can insult him for no do ba ma ogi ne wa me no ti we hey my sister you too much if you don't know that wa una o we go wait table na buduza o we gag your wait table na gagia you too my sister you finish work you you most of the art you before you speaker Emmanuel I was here. But we are finished where I don't say where you boys live or get one we have boy here by Asian you break table like who will guard your wait table who will you finish work but then we only hear well no they hear well you know and I don't already well what business we're going out here and they say human hair here go and share video. But I finish. I let you well that your human hair. I like that video. Mommy, when the time when they do your business, and when he patronize you, and when he give you a word of encouragement, you go and share video. These are your fans. Those are your followers. Those are your lovers. When you high value, these are the people you should hold in high esteem. Man, these are the people you should hold. When I saw you, how anybody know you too, go where here, distance yourself from that person. You know the amount of energy I invest here, saga. And when you answer, you invest any put me away. And follow 5 years, follow 5. They have to be taking sleeping pills. Yeah, me can answer me. Me, I don't send. Mention my name everywhere. I don't send you. Yeah. Ori yesu to. You feel where you man don't respond. If follow us here tell me we hey agbe la wani. Agbe, I have put if we agbe side mirror. No. No, that doesn't mean that. All you see here, since we part you are one say, why me pani wa die? Wa die? Anybody know it? Yeah, leave a pa. What you part talk? Just carry on. It is something for that side though. But why have you told it? No. We don't talk about it. A party man, so I will respect him. The more so you tell me, you go in good back. I saw go out of your time. After you go, but I've raised a party man. I respect a part. Just hold that. You don't even know there. So from tomorrow, we change the topic away. If we are now, we change the topic away. When you go kind, if you are with me, or do less. We are one at Japan where and the part time many die. If I would even say it all, the most of the time, a power who I say, because I saw me tell what I know equal. What you know where I see. He may tell what time I saw now. When Jesus Christ will be resurrected, in where we were. But a piety many here. I will. Wait, I'm a viewer, although drink. And when you are do and you was a guy, I understand. So, while I will go, let us build our page and monetize it without, using our hands to invite problems to ourselves, even our children. Or can I marry a more was suffer yes in the comments. Oh yes. Well, Korea Vebo, Madam Ebony, war, more, or boy, job by you know, at your video. It happen like that. And by so you ask me anyway, you share where our boy, when you share me done well with social media, and no bar, okay, when you share, you know what, remember. Oh, when you're and also number here will be punished well. I want we are not. Do share. But also number here punish well. Any don't or imagine where. Lare, umay yore a kinudo with social media. No easy wearing. I will make one or maybe we sort of money. When you generate or even hero. I say hero, he sort of. He didn't capture Mr. D. Ladia. He sort of up. He didn't capture not Baladia. He didn't capture. I don't know if he will. When you may generate because of Boobene. Oh, Boobene! When you may allow life is singer, let him only make that wrong passion. Nisa Sanga, Equaham women meets as a manica. Equaham knowing that, and everyone me uncle what I want to be. But I will tell my sister. I know. So you so on one Modojo, let Modojo, or yes, one. Me not always social no see one, or you be social no, body money now, or now when winner. I'm going over all my way, I tell where we but we know I have money here. Oh, we have money, be now. A more or log be. Animals are more than I see one. All my doing your bomb with that way. Oh, done me no yet so. Why one name? Oh no, so what he needs to look here. Or needs to look here. You will look back. Because you have to take. You have to take. And you know what balance and we don't name substance in there. Nobody really have time for that rubbish. When you listen, you must you take something. It's the best. And when a person mention my name, why you can't mention my name? Me I drop video, make sure I make Facebook say bring money. You know? So now I mean look here, why can't you concentrate on that? If you know you are talented, when and you hear well like that, you know if you hear or drink. But for our in a banner, people want to come there. You understand? when I'm with like social media, why me audience we? When I hear you, why me audience? They are there. You can't blame them. Woman Allah life here. People if you can't. Woman Allah life. Why me my life you can't? Can I say if we have here can't here commit the way they hear you? Your man guys sorting and so on. Oh here life you can't say. Why ya at all? Why they fake and can't? My boss off. Why balabu wo? Why get promoting no man? Making us all your joy. Yes, I got in a wash or in a daniel. My understand. Oh, I was sagani already one where I was sagani no switch you now. Now I did well as social media no matter what I do our paper job. And you didn't winner that contribute to you on a committee. So that is the reason why one has to be very careful. You know, where on one when I answer my standard so on tell me so no where do my hill. Odawa gbori ami ye ka gbon wa ja miamia na da do record oro yi ona ga to call ye do we call you with social media o ogbon so we are heavy ro we social media we are not ro e ma so mere no de ya gbo to ta we saga social media ya ga de kunwe o wa ro yi wa ro igbe ma understand me so keni e ke ro ni ma ya mechi se me mo ni ma be ase wa money ma bi odo save odo si ma like na ma keke ni ma mata oni majo odo save e real life na me you understand e character o here determine them how we associate with them no be ero that way ogu can fit papa no be ezinyo you know so the topic whatever things we are talking about in your home if you buy money wine e mo dam yo children you are taking now ya in they are not on. And the children, they are not learning anything from it. So it's not a decent talk. They are not learning. For years, I will not buy. No, how will you way? You know, that is all I got to say to everybody this morning. While you can build your page without, sagaing anybody. Many people don't know the definition of saga. That is why I just, tell you, saga means where. Why do you know more? I need it. Why do you think no man enjoy it? Why do you think now? We must say, "Mami, only saga." Era. Ojo where? Okay. When I talk about Tonanya, we are like here yo. Awe, you we be involved. Make video yes, Stephanie we na. Not power party here. Not power party here. Why do we party? Why am I so little? Why we don't want move on? I know Arishas. Yeah, well, I know Arishas. Where we have I know where Arishas. Well, if you know Arishas, I know Arishas. I go download now, my dear. Well, I download all where we go. You know, only my boy. Omara Majushi. So I know. When we are ready also, we will be ready also. So my mind work at two better person, no day. I be married and I say ogbe so be I say gbon no e saga una la we for one product you tell you use that your bad image we do just a bit you do you know and people that start speaking trash about your product where you are building you are mama ne you do who they working do money so we have to mash up for once and grow up. Time for people to grow up. People come minority social media. You cannot wait your mind of what doing you now much will. It's time for all of you to grow up. Enough of the necessity talk and no matter babu no. My understanding. Why I always say I greet you happy Sunday to everybody. Happy Sunday to everyone. So alawo ezu aro una mi ono woni se muyoto ewere mufua it doesn't matter anything on one nobody after with up just feel you man what mufua where you did not a part of it, I know where Halaja do Hamewa, a power, a pahim was a gani. This one when we about saga pay for someone here. Only I go there ya we pa want to buy I don't I hear we. I hear well understand me in here. So I know one day sorrow with one day one day I get anybody know here I want you to wear. The person is stressing you out. If they will not give that woman rest of mind. Yeah, stress of stress of that fear. What the hell is all that? Yeah, my wedding you know, does it really what I mean, it's senseless. So I'm also you talk about whatever. I'm not better what I'm going to make out with social media. Yeah. I hate Janne. In fact, don't overhear them. I understand. I hate Janne. Why whatever so I'm also you talk. I understand. I'm also you talk. You should proud who by a rebel Janne by way. I was very happy. In the one we are not away power it's wow. I don't know what here when you are so you talk. Any kaya here. No apology, people will send me like when it brings any capital. No, I take here okay, why no is to money here. You know, here. But on one at you are so you talk. Then what he follow? You know? So why talk why whatever this why you talk why video why like I'm topic of a in a do you know by any pata one more so you talk one more topic of a latin man it was your back or make no so you know suffer on your that is the estimate your money that do I hear you. If I can not buy our video, I record the voice and I said, what am I trying to do? I'm instigating problem. So why stop how money do a kids on it? One is here, and it's not so like because I mean, why here? Why the love I know why Labonapa? I want here the way I instigate. I want to go large out the way I know because they call me that and call they tell me say, there they saw this person. And they put where you're tiny. That time social media. I will call him and you're going to need to be now. I will call him again. I will come again on my way video. Again, I tell you, I go on video on the good work in oil like on the title. I understand. So, why always so willing to get retired. Come here on my way. On the road, we're not so relaxed. I understand. So, I want to your target in my whatever. And then when you come in on what they ask me, not by it take a side, not by take a side. And here I am working on I don't Biaga Bioko, don't see the last scenery. People should stop it. Man, since I want patch one most of the talk. There's no need to lie away.